Back at it again today with the Glacier color. This truck's very special. It's a new body style 2023-2024 Silverado 1500. It's going to get the first MaxTrac lift kit we put on. It's the 10-inch lift that they put out that's very similar looking to the McGoys. We will see if it's similar in style and durability, but this is the truck. Actually has a really cool interior in it. It's very seafoam green, teal colored. Look at that. It's insane. have to say, I'm not really big on colored interior. Most of the time I just like black leather interior, stuff like that. But check this out. This like seafoam green color, teal. It's pretty amazing. He said that he dyed all the interior parts this color, which is something I've never seen before, but hey, I like it. Well, we got the truck ready for you. This one's very, very nice. It's a 2023, well, it's not a refresh anymore. It's a 2023 Silverado. It's that gray color that everybody likes so much. This is the, they get me every time on the color. I know Ford calls it Glacier. It's like ice metallic or something like that, but looks really, really cool. A 10-inch MaxTrac lift kit. This truck has 26 by 14 Arkon Caesar wheels, color matched to the truck. It's that beautiful gray color from GM that everybody loves. Tell me what you think. Obviously, we had to do the Fury tires with it because that's the only thing that really makes sense on a 26-inch wheel. This thing turned out absolutely beautiful. Name a cleaner Silverado 1500. Drove all the way from Carolina to be here today. Color matched 26 by 14 Arkon Caesar. Color matched 7 to 10 inch MaxTrac lift kit with 37-inch Fury MT tires. Overall, the presentation of the truck is amazing. And I appreciate you guys coming. And I appreciate you guys watching.